Let's cook healthy and tasty vegan miso soup. Hi, welcome to Neo-Japanese Cooking. I'm Chef KG. In this video, I'm gonna show you simple and easy vegan miso soup. Miso soup is the most famous Japanese soup. Let me talk about miso before we start cooking. As you might know, there are two types of miso, red miso and white miso. Differences between red miso and white miso. Using red miso, you can make salty and savory miso soup. When you use white miso, you can make creamy and sweeter miso soup. Some people say people living in east side of Japan, they like using red miso. People living west side of Japan, they like using white miso. My dad's family, they're from west side of Japan. My mom's family, they're from east side of Japan. When I was a kid, my mom used to cook miso soup, mixing red miso and white miso. So you can blend red miso and white miso. Let's start cooking miso soup. Here's ingredients. Kale, green onion, tofu, soy sauce, miso, vegan dashi. Please watch how to make cold brew dashi video if you haven't watched. Here's instructions. Wash kale. Chop kale. Wash green onion. Cut the center of green onion. Slice green onion. Cut tofu into dices. Measure miso. Get your vegan dashi from fridge. Measure dashi. You can use shiitake mushroom and dried kelp as an ingredient too. Pour dashi in the pot. Put tofu in the pot. Use medium heat. After boil, turn off the heat. Mix miso in dashi. Put soy sauce. Put kale. Put shiitake mushroom and kombu seaweed. Put green onion. Cook all the veggie using medium heat. vegan miso soup is ready. How did you like cooking miso soup? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.